Hello, it's Wednesday the 21st. I'm FxPlew and the rain is really coming down for this morning's market brief. Now, we had jobs data out in the UK yesterday and that showed the market wobbled a little ahead of the budget fireworks and wage growth cooled to 3.6%. That's the slowest since 2020 and may help appease MPC worries about that persistent inflationary threat. Job vacancies ticked up, suggesting a greater appetite to hire, but payrolls data dropped 43,000 in December, which was the biggest monthly decline since lockdown. Deputy Governor Dave Ramsden has been on. He expects wages will remain a key focus for the MPC, while, in his opinion anyway, policy remains restrictive. However, the current expectation is that the MPC will keep rates on hold next month, especially where inflation rose to 3.4% according to this morning's data. That was up from 3.2%, and a friendly reminder that the MPC still has an awful lot of work to do. Andy Burnham has been on, the Manchester mayor. He said that his vision for the economy would help reassure the bond market investors. He wants to restore public control of key services to help lower long-term costs, and he thinks this would help break us out of the current low growth trap. I'm not sure how much of his proposed Manchesterism Reeves will be open to, but Labour is trailing heavily in the polls and investors are focused on Starmer's future ahead of the local elections in May. Over in the US, there are suggestions that Trump will announce his new Fed chair at Davos. And this would be classic Trump, wouldn't it? Great way to make the World Economic Forum all about dear old Donald. Meanwhile, Scott Bessent has been on. He thinks it is a mistake for Powell to attend the Supreme Court, that hearing about Lisa Cook. But of course he would say that. He is firmly on #Team Trump. He also is acting as Trump's economic hype man. He projected 4 to 5% GDP real growth this year. That would need about 7 or 8% nominal growth to be carded, and I don't need to tell you how punchy that sounds, do I? In the market, the dollar index dropped to around 98.25 and we kick off this morning around 134.40 against the dollar, 114.65 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 117.20 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Hope things dry up for you. Toodaloo.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.